Dear student, today I am going to give you the syllabus for your academic session, subject science. This is chemical reaction and equation. From there 6 marks will come, and acid, base and salt from there 6 marks, metal and non-metal 7 marks, carbon and its compound 6 marks, periodic classification of element 7 marks, life process 10 marks, control and coordination 6 marks, how to organism reproduce 5 marks, heredity and evolution from there 5 marks, light, reflection and refraction 8 marks, the human eye and the colorful world 5 marks, electricity 6 marks, magnetic effect of electric current from there 5 marks, sources of energy 4 marks, our environment 4 marks, and 16th chapter totally omitted from the syllabus for the academic session 2020. So Seva has done good one. So from here also some units are omitted from your chapters. So I'm going to show you this one. See, this is the syllabus from coming from the Seva. So this is your syllabus. See, chemical reaction, and see the unit. You will see. So unit required, unit omitted. Yes, 6 marks. Now next, see this one, metal and non-metal from there. This is okay. So this is no need to study. Okay, and here also you say this one. This is okay. So omitted chapter, no need to study this one. Okay, hope you will take this one very well in your textbook, and according to that you study this one. Now I am going to show this one in your textbook. Yes, let me show this one. So this one, see, first question, first chapter. This one will come up to this. Yes, up to here it will come. Okay, and from here no need to study. Yes, there is chapter number 1. Now acid base, see, up to here this piece, that is what, 28 piece, up to here it will come, and more about salt from here no need. Yes, no need to study, completely omitted from your syllabus. Now this is what, metals and non-metal, mark 7. So here also I am going to show you. So hoping that will give you benefit. So up to here is required. From refining of metal, this is no need, completely omitted. Yes, so no need to study this one. Now carbon and its compound, this 6 marks, up to here to required. See, up to here required. Page number, that is 71. Substitution reaction up to there required, and this from here some important carbon compounds from there, this is completely omitted. So this is omitted. Yes. Now periodic classification, the whole chapter required. Yes, so that you have to study whole chapter. Now see, life process, here also whole chapter you have to study. Total marks is 10. So here no omitted. From there it is very essential for you all, for your day-to-day life. Now control and coordination, here up to here required. From coordination in plants, from here no need. Yes, this is completely this chapter no need. Yes. Now how do organism reproduce, here 5 marks. Here you see, up to here required. Okay, page number 135, reproduction in human beings from there omitted. Yes, so later on this part no need to practice. Yes, so one lever is, yeah. So heredity and evolution from there 5 marks. So here also you see, up to here required. Yes, specialization up to here, then evolution from and classification from here no need. So no need to study this one. Good luck. no need. Now reflection of light, that is light reflection and refraction, 10 marks from there. Here also no need to study all. This from here up to here required. Page number 189 up to there required. From here sign conversion of spherical mirror, from here omitted totally for you. Now the human eye and the colorful world, from there 5 marks will come. Here also some omitted are coming there. Up to here required. You see scattering of light, from there no need. That means 11.6 unit no need. Tyndall effect, these are omitted completely. Yes. Now electricity 6 marks from there. Here also some omitted, sorry. You see up to here is secure. Up to here required. Heating effect of electric current, from here no need to study. Yes, that is completely omitted. Now magnetic effect and electric current, 5 marks from there. Here also omitted by Seba, so good for you. This is up to here required. 237 page up to here required. From domestic purpose electric circuits, from there completely omitted. Okay, now next chapter, that is what sources of energy, 4 marks will come. From there up to here required. Yes, from energy from the sea, from here no need to practice. So good luck for you all. Now our environment, marks 4. Here also they omitted. Up to here required. This is no need. Only managing the garbage we produce, from there completely omitted for you. Now chapter number 16, sustainable management of natural resources, totally omitted for you, for your session. So this is the syllabus of science. Hoping that you will study according to your syllabus and you will score more marks. That way we will proud for you. Thank you.